This video is going to show you how to submit all of your lab assignments in this course. So remember that you get to all of your assignments by going to the modules section of the course. So I'm going to go down to chapter 1. So this is your chapter 1 module. At the bottom, you're going to have your lab assignment. So remember that your lab assignment is to complete the double-starred and odd try-it problems in your chapter 1 workbook. If you don't have the actual workbook, you can click on this link and actually download and print the workbook. So this is your workbook here for chapter 1. If you have the workbook from the bookstore, then this is what you have. So you see here we have double-starred problems, and then we have try-it problems, odd and even. What you need to do would be the double-starred and the odd try-it problems. And now remember that the double-starred problems are completely worked out in your textbook, in your online interactive textbook. The try-it problems have the answers, but you are going to try to do the work yourself. This is your workbook, all right? So you're going to do the double-starred and odd try-it problems in all of the sections that are assigned for that chapter. That's your lab assignment. That's not your homework assignment. That is your lab assignment. The lab assignment is from the workbook, the paper workbook. Now, let's go back to the course. So you have done all of your workbook pages. You have done the double-starred and odd try-it problems. Now you want to submit your lab assignment, okay? So let's go back to the module. So I'm back in my chapter 1 module. So these assignments here, that's your homework. 1.1, 1.2, these are all your homework assignments. This is your lab assignment. So when you click on it, it's going to explain to you what you have to do. So you will have 15 minutes and 1 attempt to upload pictures or a PDF of the requested workbook pages in this chapter. So I'm not going to ask you to show me every page in the chapter. That would be way too much. I'm going to ask you to show me some randomly selected pages. You won't know what those pages are until you click Take the Quiz. Once you click Take the Quiz, your 15 minutes start. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of give you a little quick preview. You click on Take the Quiz. Notice that the time has started here. We have 15 minutes. So I'm going to ask for 5 different page numbers that I want for you to take a picture or scan and upload that file here. I am then going to check those pages and give you a grade for your lab assignment for this chapter. Okay? So I just want to show you what it actually looks like. Keep in mind, you do not have enough time to do these pages while showing all of your work when you click on Take the Quiz. You need to do your workbook pages before you click on Take the Quiz for your lab assignment. Okay? So I clicked out, so I still have time left. That's why it's saying resume quiz. But that's your lab assignment. Okay? So if you have any questions about this, please ask and let me know. But your chapter 1 lab assignment is due on May 18th, which is next Monday. And that means that you must show me that you completed your workbook pages in chapter 1. Then your homework for chapter 1 and all of your chapters is due the day your assessment for that chapter is due. So your homework assignments, you have more time to work on. Those are due on June 1st in this case. All right. So if you have any questions, send me an email in the inbox and I'll be sure to help you out. Okay. Thanks.